Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, answering a question submitted by a student. This is from trigonometry or pre-calculus, and we're working with radians here because the restriction on the angle is in radians. So just remember, in radians, this is 0, then pi over 2, then pi, then 3 pi over 2, and then back to 2 pi. So the angle we're interested in is in the third quadrant here, somewhere between pi and 3 pi over 2. So I'm going to draw a diagram here. Make a right triangle. And so here's our angle, reference angle x. And we're told the tangent is 1 over 2, so it's opposite over adjacent. So it's -1 over -2. Right? That's just coming from SOHCAHTOA. So tangent is opposite over adjacent. And so it would be -1 over -2, which comes out to a positive 1/2. Now, if we want the other sine and cos, let me just put the tangent here. -1 over -2, so it's 1/2. Now to get the other ones, the other sine and cosine, we just need the hypotenuse. We'll use Pythagorean theorem here, so it's going to be 4 plus 1 is equal to r squared. We'll call that r. So it's going to be the square root of 5 here for the hypotenuse. So now we can just use SOHCAHTOA for the rest of it. So the sine of x is going to be opposite over hypotenuse, -1 over root 5. And we don't want to leave a radical in the denominator, so we multiply top and bottom by the square root of 5. So it's -√5 over 5. And then the cosine of x is adjacent over hypotenuse, so it's going to be -2 over root 5. So it's -2 root 5 over 5. And that's it. We've answered the question. So fairly straightforward. It all revolves around drawing a diagram. So get used to drawing lots of diagrams when you're taking trigonometry. Okay, well, that's it for this question. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.